Hello everybody, welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. We've got lots of exciting announcements this morning. First off, our most exciting possibly thing to show you is we've got our brand new spring mailer here, our class schedule and event calendar. We've got all of the exciting new classes in here and all of the events that we're going to have through July. So lots of fun things in here. As many of you know, our new mailer comes with many other exciting things too, including our open house, our previously loved machine sale. We've got some exciting demo days coming up as well. So we'll explain more about those soon. But many of you are probably wondering when you're going to get yours. So keep an eye out for them in the mail, because the first is when we start our sign up. So we've got them out to you guys, so keep an eye out. We are posting all of the new classes. The new calendar is going up this Friday though, so if you want to take a look at all of the classes, you can check them out there first. But we will not be signing up for the classes until Monday the 1st. We will turn on the phones and open the doors at 9:45, so anyone can call in or come in to sign up for those classes. We'll have all the supply lists online as well, so anything you need for your classes you'll be able to find super easily online. Of course, you can also get them here if you're here in person. But yeah, we're super excited. Open house is the first 2 weeks of April, so we'll have 20% off of all the fabric and of course class supplies as well. And then our previously loved machine sale will be in the back rooms. These classrooms over here will have all of our previously loved machines in there for you to take a look at. We've also got some very exciting demo days coming up as well, and you'll find those in the mailer. We'll show those off soon as well. And yeah, lots of great stuff. I am going to give you a little sneak peek of one of our events that we have coming up. It is our OESD Let's Celebrate event. This is a 2-day event, Friday and Saturday, April 26th and 27th. It's $199, and that includes everything you need to do these fun party projects. We'll be providing the machines, and we'll include lunch as well. So it'll be just a really fun event for us to have, and we hope everyone will join us. This event you can actually sign up for now. So if you want to sort of start your planning and get signed up for that, you can give us a call ahead of time. Before the 1st, that's fine. Call us and we will get you signed up for the OESD event. So there's lots of stuff in here. Another thing I will quickly mention, a little tease. We've got the Notion of the Week table here is empty, but we did that on purpose. We've got a special spring open house special for you, and we'll send out an email with our email this Friday letting you know what that special item is that's going to be on sale for the next 2 weeks during open house. So it looks empty now, but we'll have some really exciting items here later on. So definitely check your email on Friday for all of our information on that and stuff on our new mailer as well. So lots of new information. You can see right back here, we've taken down all of the older class samples, and we are going to be putting up all of the brand new samples, so you can stop by soon and check those out. We'll have lots more to look at, so definitely stop by. Okay, and now into the fabric for the day. Up here at the counter, we've got some really gorgeous K-Facet fabrics here. Beautiful bright prints. These are fabrics from his most recent release, so we thought we would show them off. Love these fabrics, perfect I think for spring, so definitely stop in and check those out too. I'll just mention real quick that all of our Easter stuff here is on sale. So if you want to do any last minute projects, you can stop on in. 25% off of all of these gorgeous spring pastel prints. These pillowcases are always a great thing to put in Easter baskets, either finished or unfinished, if maybe you want to do a little project. Very, very cute. So some quick little Easter ideas. Okay, and right here, since April is coming up soon, we're going to give you a little sneak peek of the April bag of the month, which is going to be the Hemingway pouch. This is a pattern from Center Street Quilts, and she was nice enough to actually send us some physical patterns so that we could put these kits together. We love them so much. They're super easy, great little pouches for, you could put your tablets in there, or, you know, organize your art supplies, take them on the go. They are so great. We love the little diagonal zip here. So much fun. Comes in a few different sizes. The pattern, there are four different sizes on the pattern, but the kit includes enough to do these two here. So it's the large and the small, I believe. So you get both of these little projects out of the one kit here. And you can see we've used some really fun Tula Pink fabric. This was the Everglow collection. Some beautiful space dye from Figo, and these amazing iridescent zippers. So we are super excited about these ones. We've got some other samples around the store as well for you to check out. We're going to show those off a little later, but we thought we would show this one first because this one you can grab the kit. We thought we would also mention just before March ends, this is the March bag of the month. This was the Novak pattern. We used the Rifle Paper Company Curio collection with the books. Super, super cute. Definitely maybe a little bit more involved here, but it really turns out very sophisticated and professional. So we love that one as well. So we'll still have that one here in the store, but the April bag of the month is the Hemingway pouch. And I'm just gonna pop over here real quick before we head back around the other way. We've got some absolutely gorgeous new woven flannels from Marcus Fabrics. All of these are true wovens. So if you like to work with more of the woven prints, they're fantastic for rag quilts. We always have these ones sort of paired with the rag quilt pattern that we have here at the store. They are beautifully soft. They would also work wonderfully if you wanted to do any garment sewing. Lots of wonderful possibilities. We also have these little half-yard stacks here that we like to sort of curate some of our flannels and put them together. We always keep the little rag quilt pattern in here as well, so anyone can do a rag quilt if they want, or you could do something else with these beautiful flannels. Okay, so now we'll loop back around and head this way. We'll head off passing our more modern section. And I will mention really quick, here we've got Kate's fabric, and she made some beautiful little Hemingway pouches here out of her fabric, and they turned out so, so cute. She did some different quilting on these ones. I love it. So there's kind of another idea of what you can do with that Hemingway pouch. Okay, and then we'll come on through here, and we're going to show off some beautiful new blenders. These are from Benartex. These are their new hue collections. We've got a few different colors here, with either gold or silver sort of speckles on them, some beautiful metallic, and in, like I said, a few different colors there. So these would be gorgeous in lots of different quilts as a blender. And we've got all of the rest of our metallics down this aisle here, so lots of other pretty shiny things. Okay, and then right up here we've got our art gallery fabrics wall, and they recently just sent us their brand new seedling collection, brand new colors. So we added them to some of our previous collection, but you can see beautiful earthy tones here. We've got some dusty rose and coral, and they actually pair perfectly with the brand new deco stitch that we just got too. So really excited to use those ones and see what we can create. Okay, and we also threw in a few of those new woven flannels into more of our color organized flannel section. So take a peek in there too if you're looking for something different. Okay, and now we're just gonna work our way back through here. We're gonna pop into our novelty section real quick. So we're gonna come on back here to this very back corner. And up top here, we've got a beautiful new camping line from Moda. This one is called The Great Outdoors. Got beautiful, rich tones in here. A gorgeous, rich sort of chocolatey brown is the neutral, and then you have the sort of olive green with the brighter pops of orange. We do have pre-cuts for this one, so we've got some charm packs and the layer cakes. We've got some jelly rolls here as well as some fat quarters also. Okay. And moving along through here, we're gonna walk past our Civil War section here and just loop around the corner back into our flower pot lane. And right on the end here, we have a wonderful new collection from Anne. This one is really gorgeous sunflower prints. And they've thrown in some monarch butterflies as well. And some great little blenders. And they even did a cute little border print also. So this one is very cheery and bright, and I think is going to be wonderful for spring. They did some very cute little fat quarter bundles of this one as well. Goes very nicely with our little inside out placemats here that we did from the Sunflower Boutique line. So could kind of get an idea if you wanted to do something like that as well. Okay, and then I'm just gonna loop right around here and head back. I told you last week we changed this aisle. It used to be our sort of 30s reproduction. Now it is all of our patriotic fabric. And we just put out a brand new patriotic line, which is this one right here from Moda. This one is called Old Glory. Was designed by Lella Boutique. And we have lots of wonderful fat quarter bundles of this one. And also, there's this wonderful panel that goes with the line also. Gorgeous floral here. Very much in the Lella Boutique style. And some cute little wording on there also. So definitely perfect for kind of that summer picnic style. You've got that floral, but you've still got the stars and the little dots and stripes and all the things that kind of read patriotic, but definitely have a fun, sweet summer feel as well. And it's already been quite popular too, so we'll see. It'll probably fly off the shelves. Okay, and last but not least, we've got our Keeping It Cool quilt here, which is going to be our quilt of the week. So this will be 20% off of the kit, which is just right here. We've got all of the wonderful fabrics to make this one up. We've got a variety of different prints. We've got some grunge and different blenders in here. And for those that may not know, this was actually the quilt that we had in the Quilt Sampler magazine here when we were one of their top shops a couple years ago. We still have the magazine if you want to check that out. We're just right on in here, which is super fun. You can see our store in the magazine. And then we've got the pattern for this quilt in here as well, which was designed by Lori Hine, who we love here at the Quilting Bee. So if you haven't been able to get your hands on one of these yet, now is your chance. It's 20% off right now, so definitely stop on in and grab one of these guys before they're gone, because this is a very special quilt. It's kind of like a limited edition thing for us, so we would love it if you would stop in and check it out. Okay, a couple reminders. As I said, our new mailer with all of our classes and events is coming out soon. You'll probably be getting yours in the next week, so keep an eye out in the mail for your physical copy. We will be putting it up on the website, on the Quilting Bee website this Friday, so you'll be able to see all of the new classes that are coming up soon. Reminders open house is starting April 1st, and it'll be for 2 weeks, so we'll have demo days and 20% off of our fabric and class supplies. We'll have our previously loved machine sale in our classrooms over here, and make sure that you remember to check out the OESD event that is coming up later in the month in April. So yeah, lots of fun things coming up. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below or give the store a call. We'd be happy to answer any of your questions. We'll be on Whatnot later today, and we'll have lots of the wonderful new fabric that we showed you on there as well. And of course, you can always ask questions then too. So thank you so much for joining us today, and we will see you next week for another What's Buzzin' at the Bee.